The 3-seater Highlife Jetsetter LX spa, this is the absolute best in hot tub ownership, combining luxury and convenience. Small hot tub, big on comfort and luxury. 213 by 173 and 84 centimeters tall. A smaller yet striking centerpiece for any home. With the freshwater salt system always included, your water stays softer, cleaner and more natural. Exclusive 100% no bypass filtration ensures every drop is purified every moment. We put the IQ in liquid. With the optional freshwater IQ, the smart inline water care system, your spa looks after itself. It automatically tests pH, chlorine and salt levels, displaying clear instructions so you know exactly when adjustments are needed. Visually stunning design with a distinctive color palette and customizable zone lighting for an atmosphere that's yours alone. The Highlife Collection, truly premium, truly legendary. The very best in comfort, performance and design. Available at Aquapool Spas in our Fungirola or San Pedro stores.